Hello and assalamu alaikum. What's up, guys? And today, me and one of my brother, and we are here for taking some pictures. And already we have taken. And now my brother said that brother, it's really amazing places and charming places. And you guys already see that the place everywhere, so like fulfill natures. And my brother saying that if you make video, then it will be more better because of you struggling a lot for making video. So by the way, and today's topics my brother select that say something about the Ramadan. And guys, I already uploaded a video about Ramadan and I talked about that. And now I gonna talk about also Ramadan. This is the holy month, and this is the pure month. Alhamdulillah, we are fasting, and we have just completed Asr Salat. After that, we are here for making video as well as for taking some picture. You guys can see that new look of mine that I am wearing. The sunglasses is called eye protector or sunglasses, you can say. What I don't know. And I'm also wearing the topi and pants. I don't know what should I say. And so in this holy Ramadan month we have to prayers more and more, and this is the already Ramadan is going to finish, so that's why it's I don't know, and we don't know that the next Ramadan will get or not. So in this time, please try to use your time proper way and never use your time bad way, and try to do something better for your life, for your next time after your date, so that you can get Jannah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, right, okay, bye.